Okay, so here's page 759, number 5. Set A, the red dice shows a 2, and set B is the sum of both dice is 8. So the probability of A, we want to find the probability that the red dice is a 2 when we throw both. Okay, the first thing is probability of an event, let's say A, whatever, is your successes over your total number of trials or possibilities, your total possible outcomes. So red dice showing a 2, here is all of the trials or possibilities with throwing 2 dice. So like this first one would be the red dice is a 1 and the green dice is a 1. Well, this whole row, which there's 6 of them, would represent, if your first dice was your red one, would represent red dice showing a 2. And so that if you count them, there's 6 of them there. And if you count all of the possibilities, there's 36 total. And you can reduce that to 1/6. So the probability that the red dice shows a 2 is 1/6 of the time. Okay? So that's that part. Now part B is what's the probability that their sum is 8. So if you look at these, well, 4 and 4, 5 and 3, 6 and 2, 3 and 5, and 2 and 6, all of those have a sum of 8. There are no others with that sum of 8. Well, if you count them up, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 out of 36 possibilities. So 5/36 is the sum of 8. Okay. The next one is union. So if you look at all possibilities, you've got with union, you usually supplement the word or combine them both and make sure you don't count something twice. So probability of A union B would be the probability that the red dice shows a 2 or the sum of both dice is 8. Well, here's all the possibilities where the red dice is a 2, and here is all the possibilities where the sum of them is 8. And if you count those, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you notice there's 6 there with that one. 7, 8, 9, 10 possibilities. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there are 10 out of 36 total possible. So there's your probability, or which reduces, if you take a 2 out, to 5/18. Okay. Notice I made sure I didn't count that one twice. The formula for union of any union, A union B, is actually equal to the probability of A plus the probability of B minus their intersection. Well, and I ran out of room, so let me rewrite that. Probability of A plus the probability of B minus their intersection. A intersect B. Okay? So we'll come up with this 5/18 here in a second using the formula. But let's find intersection. Well, where is the red dice at 2 and the sum 8? Well, that only occurs in one place, and that is right here. The red dice is a 2, and the second dice is a 6 to make 8. So 1/36 is this part, is that probability. So if you follow the formula, 1/6 plus 5/36 minus 1/36 should equal 5/18. And go ahead and calculate that out. It should work. You could go ahead and do 6/36 here plus 5/36 minus 1/36, which 11, 10/36, which indeed is 5/18. And is the event independent, I think? It's part B. No, these are not. These are not. Are A and B independent events? No, they're not. And I'll explain that later because I'm out of time.